Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation 1 liquid extraction. The topic is the multi-stage cross current extraction. In a previous lecture discuss about the choice of solvent for extraction and a single stage extraction process. Now the important process multi-stage cross current extraction part. Okay, video the first one stage single one, second one the third one. अब डिटेल में डिस्कस करीશું. This is an extension of single stage extraction wherein the raffinate is successively contact with a fresh solvent and may be done continuously or in batch wise. Okay, jo simply is the first batch, second one and a third one batch, and the reference is a figure 10.14, this one. Okay, for a इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगुलर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में RME अलग अलग स्टेज वाइज आपला છે એક કરતા સ્ટેજ વાઇઝ મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ this one this one this one. Okay, suppose this one is figure. Now the reference તરીકે ફીડ આપ્યું છે તમને as a ફીડ x અને મોલ ફ્રેક્શન છે ના xf SYS E1 Y1 સ્ટેજ 1 માટે, RX1 સ્ટેજ 2 માટે, E2 Y2 S2 Y2 YS, R2 X2 કોમ્પોઝાઇટ એક્સટ્રેક્ટ છે, ફાઇનલ રેફિનેટ છે. યાદ રાખજો એક્સટ્રેક્ટ ફેઝ અને રેફિનેટ ફેઝ E અને R. નાઉ ધીસ કર્વ ક્રોસ કરંટ એક્સટ્રેક્શન R1 R2 ને R3 E1 E2 ને E3 S basis પર. Now the cross current extraction for R1 R2 and R3 E1 E2 and E3, this one for find out this some equations part. Now start this multi-stage cross current. હવે સિંગલ સ્ટેજનું જોઈ લે તો તમને વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે કે સિંગલ સ્ટેજમાં આપણે શું કર્યું હતું. જુઓ this is the single stage extraction. choice of solvent આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. Simply this is the equations. The first one is there, second one is there. F plus S1 is equal to M1 is equal to E1 plus R1. F XF plus S1 YS is equal to M1 XM1, this basis. F plus S1 is equal to M1 is equal to E1 plus R1. Now this equation basis for a single stage માટેનું this one feed 1 solvent raffinate અને extract phase માટે. પછી જોયું તો આપણે this equation જે S1 by F is equal to XF minus XM1 by XM1 minus YS, and these quantities of extract and raffinate can be computed by the mixtures rules for equation 10.1 or by the material balance for C. The E1 Y1 plus R1 X1 is equal to M1 XM1. તો આના પરથી આપણે E1 ને કરતા બનાવો this one, તો આપણી પાસે ઇક્વેશન આવશે this one. Now the finally equations these are material balance for a B basis. F dash plus S dash is equal to M1 dash. એટલે આ પ્રમાણે તમારે કરવાનું રહેશે. ઓકે, this is the again E1 dash. E1 નું આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોઈએ તો એ જ રીતે E1 dash માટે છે. તો RM by EM હા ને, તો R1 dash by E1 dash નું ઇક્વેશન શું આવે છે Y1 minus XM1 by XM1 minus X1. Now when the equilibrium extract and raffinate are located on the lower diagram of this figure, an equation is seen to be the operating line shown of a slope minus R1 dash by E1 dash, and the single stage is seen to the analogies to the flash vaporizations of a distillation with a solvent replacing heat if pure B is used as a solvent, and the operating line on the lower figure passes through the 45 degree and the line this figure. નાવ ધી મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ માટે જોઈએ આપણે. મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ માટે આટલી વસ્તુ જોઈએ આપણે. This is an extension of a single stage extraction wherein the raffinate is a successively contact with fresh solvent and may be done continuously or in a rich batch wise. This figure આપણે જોઈએ. This one PDF XF stage 1 stage 2 and stage 3 E1Y1 S1YS E2Y2 S2YS E3Y3 S3Y3 for a final raffinate phase માટે. ક્રોસ કરંટ એક્સટ્રેક્શન માટે છે for this basis. Now single final raffinate result and the extracts can be combined to provide the composite extract. As shown, as many stages as desired can be used. For computations are shown on a triangular and on solvent free coordinates. All the material balance for a single stage of course now apply to the first stage subsequent is and stage are dealt with in the same manner except of the codes that the feed to any stages is a raffinate from the preceding stage wise. Thus for any stages n તો ટોટલ બેલેન્સનું આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોઈએ. આર એન માઇનસ 1 પ્લસ એસ એન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એમ એન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ઈ એન પ્લસ આર એન. અને સી બેલેન્સિંગ માટે આર એન માઇનસ 1 એક્સ માઇનસ 1 પ્લસ એસ એન વાય એસ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એમ એન એક્સ એમ એન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ઈ એન વાય એન પ્લસ આર એન એક્સ એન. For the solvent free coordinate a plus c balancing માટે r dash n minus 1 plus s dash n is equal to m dash n is equal to e dash n plus r n dash. What is r is equal to m is equal to e plus r જે આપણે ટ્રાયંગ્યુલર કોઓર્ડિનેટ સિસ્ટમમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા ડેરિવેશન પાર્ટ. Now the c balancing r dash n minus 1 x n minus 1 plus s dash n ys is equal to m dash n x m n is equal to e dash n y n plus r dash n x n. The b balance r dash n minus 1 n r n minus 1 plus s dash n n s is equal to m dash n n m n is equal to e dash n n e n plus r dash n I n r n for these three equations. Last three. From which the quantities can be calculated for either types of graphic. An unequal amount of this solvent can be used in the various stages and even different temperature, in which case each stage must be computed with the help of a phase diagram at the appropriate temperature for a given final raffinate concentration basis. The greater the number of stages, the less total solvent will be used. This process is okay. Example આપણે example भी જોઈ લઈશું. Example 10.1. If 100 kg of a solution of acetic acid C G2 માં 7 માર્કમાં પૂછી શકાય તેવો એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. For 30% of acid is to be extracted. This time which isopropyl ether be at 20 degrees Celsius by using the 40 kg of solvent in each stage wise. Okay, દરેક સ્ટેજમાં આપણે કેટલા કેટલા percentage wise તે જોવાનું છે. For a percentage of acetic acid, water, isopropyl ether, acetic acid, water. Okay, now the solution part, it take this on a diagram. Okay, આ જે ડેટા આપણો છે તમારે એનો ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ દ્વારા એને પ્લોટ કરવાનો રહેશે. Percentage of acetic acid versus water. Okay, So first of all, they write down the all data. Now the weight percentage of acetic acid 100x. And plot the graphical system. Now the calculation part. Step 1. F is equal to 100 kg and xf is equal to 0.30. So ys is equal to 0, s1 is equal to b1 is equal to 40 kg. Equation 10.4. The m1 is equal to 100 plus 40 is equal to 140 kg, and this equation 10.5 basis. Now the 100 multiplied 0.30 plus 40 multiplied 0 and a 140 multiplied xm1. The xm1 is equal to 0.214. The point m1 is located on a line FB. With the help of a distillation curve, the tie line passing through m1 is located as shown in a figure. X1 is equal to 0.258, y1 is equal to 0.117. Weight fraction acetic acid equations 10.8 basis. E1 is equal to 140 in a bracket 0.214 minus 0.258 by 0.117 minus 0.258 is equal to 43.6 kg. Now this equation basis step 2 જોઈએ આપણે. So S2 is equal to B2 is equal to 40 kg. Equation 10.15. The M2 is equal to R1 plus B2 is equal to 96.4 plus 40 is equal to 136.4 kg. The equation 10.16, so 96.4 0.258 plus 40 multiplied 0, तो 136.4 xm2 આવશે. xm2 is equal to 0.1822. Point m2 is located on a line r1b and tie line r2e2 through m2x2 is equal to 0.227. y2 is equal to 0.095. Equations 80 e2 is equal to આપણે m2 xm2 minus x2 by y2 minus x2 is equal to value put કરો અને આન્સર મેળવો. Okay, first of all the write down the all the data and this is a solution part. Okay, all these equations સુધી લખી રાખો અહીંયા સુધી. Now the second point, equation 10.15 ના બેસિસ પર જોઈશું આપણે. R2 is equal to M2 minus E2 is equal to 136.4 minus 46.3 is equal to 90.1 kg. Stage 3, in a similar manner, E3 is equal to 40, M3 is equal to 130.1, XM3 is equal to 0.1572, x3 is equal to 0.20 and y3 is equal to 0.078. E3 is equal to 45.7, R3 is equal to 84.4. The acid content of the final raffinate phase is a 0.20 multiplied 84.4 is equal to 16.88 kg. The composite curve extract final value આવે છે 13.12. नेक्स्ट જોઈશું આપણે insoluble liquid. સેકન્ડ વન એક્ઝામ્પલ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કાઉન્ટર કરંટ મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ માટે જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. ઓકે, આ સેકન્ડ વન એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. આ બી એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં. એક્ઝામ્પલ 10.2. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. ટેન પોઈન્ટ 17 ફિગરની છે, આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરવાનો રહેશે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.